welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are safe, you all are healthy. For today's video, I decided to do a haul video. So I recently got to know about Meesho app and I thought I'll try it out and give you guys a review. In case if you don't know about Meesho app, Meesho is a reselling app where you can go ahead and purchase items for yourself, and also you can use Meesho as to resell to other customers. If you're a housewife or if you're a college student, I think it's a great app. So basically I'm going to explain the process to you guys in few simple steps. So you can see any product on Meesho app. Meesho app has menswear, women's wear, electronics, everything. So any product that you like and you feel that your customer will be interested in buying, you can take the picture and share it on WhatsApp with all your customers. You can also share the description with your customers, and if they like the product, you can go ahead and place the order directly on Meesho app. Supposedly a product is for rupees 500 and you want to sell it for 550, then you can keep a profit margin of rupees 50 and sell it to the customer. They are going to get the delivery at their own place. You have to place their address, and that is it. You have cash on delivery option. Also they can choose to pay online. Whatever profit margin you are going to make, you are going to get it in your bank account. So it's very simple. Go ahead and try it and make some extra bucks this month. So that is it about Meesho app, and now without any further ado, I think we should quickly hop into the video and let me show you what all I got from Meesho app. So let's get started with the video. So these are all the tops that I got. I got almost 7 tops and they are in a pretty bad condition. I'm gonna show you one by one. So let me keep it over here, and the first top that I have is this one. I got it only because I wanted to shoot a picture for my Instagram profile. Just because I'm a blogger, I like to try out all this kind of things. So basically the top is like this. Until and unless you see it on me, you can't understand how the top actually is, but it is an amazing top, and I thought I'll click few pictures when I will cross 25k on this YouTube channel. So that is the reason I got it. The material is really soft. Also, I think it was under rupees 400, which is amazing for this particular top. I saw this top on Instagram and they quoted me a price of rupees 800 to 900. So I got it for only rupees 400 on Meesho app. The next top is this one. I love polka print, polka dot, so I got it. I don't have any top in like red color, so I really like it. Also the material is so soft and very comfortable. If you're a college going girl or if you like to go out with your friends, you can definitely try this top out. I'm gonna insert a clipping where I'll be wearing it and showing it to you guys. Again, this top was under rupees 500, so the price point is really amazing and reasonable. Then I got this one for my sister. She is in class 10 and she has to go to a lot of tuition. So I got this one for her, and she likes ruffle sleeves. So it has ruffle sleeves. Also her favorite color is orange and red. Like she has 2 favorite colors, and I got it in like a tomato red kind of a color. I hope she will like it. This material is also very comfortable and she can go out with her friends wearing this top. Also she can go for tuitions wearing this top. I also went ahead and got another top in polka dots. I think I am really obsessed with this trend at this moment. So basically it's a yellow top. Now I can't show you how it is because I have opened up everything, but you're going to see a clipping of me wearing it. It's beautiful, but one problem that I faced is like I got it in the size large. Usually I am in the size small or medium, but I thought let me try out large and let me try out something baggy. So it is little bit big on me, but you can easily get it altered. I'm also going to get it altered, and this one costed me around rupees 600, which is again very cheap. The actual MRP of this particular product is 1299, so I got it for less, like more than 50% discount. So this is the 5th item. The top that I'm wearing is my favorite top from Meesho. Initially when I placed the order, I was like very skeptical whether the quality will be nice or not. But the moment I got it, I really loved it. I went out with my family wearing this top and they were also like, the quality is nice and this particular print is looking good on you. This particular top, I got it for less than 400, and the quality that it has, I am really amazed. You go anywhere, you're not going to get a top like this for only rupees, I think it was around 370 to 400. So the price point is really reasonable. That is the reason it's a reselling app. You can easily keep your profit margin and sell it to your customer. So this is the top that I absolutely love, and it is my favorite from this particular haul. there are days when I don't feel like wearing a lot of good things or dresses or tops. So for those days, I like to keep it very casual, and that is the reason I got this one. This is a basic casual blue tee. You can pair it up with a high-waisted jeans and sneakers, and you are sorted for the day. One thing that you should keep in mind while purchasing basics like this is that the quality has to be good. Otherwise, you will end up looking really cheap. Your outfit will end up looking really cheap. So make sure the quality is nice. As you can see, the quality of this top is very soft and very nice. In case if you're a college going student, definitely invest in basics like this. The last and the final top that I have is this one. Since winter is coming, so I thought I'll go ahead and buy something that has full sleeve. I saw Akriti Rana wearing something similar to this, and when I saw it on Meesho app, I was like, I have to get it. I'm a huge fan of Akriti Rana, and it is in a pastel pink color. I love pink. Nowadays, pink is my favorite color. I'm gonna mention the product codes in the description box. Meesho doesn't have product links. They have codes, so I'm gonna mention all the product codes in the description box. You have to go on Meesho app and press the code and you can find all the products. Also on Meesho app, they are following a very good safety measures. Like nowadays, you don't have to do any digital signature. OTP will be sent to you. You can pass on the OTP to the delivery person, and that is it. So I think they are doing a very good job in this pandemic situation. I hope you guys have really liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram to stay in touch with me. And that is it about this video. I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Bye.